Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add emojis on Outlook. So for this you have to go for your Outlook. Now go to home option. After that take a new email. Now you have to hold on shift and tap on colon on your keyboard and again hold on shift and go for uh, closing brackets. So you can see it is a happy icon. Again, hold on shift and tap on colon. Now tap on shift and starting brackets. So it is set emoji. So guys, this is how you can add emojis on Outlook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.